In this video, you will learn how to give access to Google Analytics. First, go to Google Analytics and log in with your account. Next, select the account property or view for which you want to grant. In the bottom left corner of Google Analytics dashboard, click the gear icon and open the admin panel. Under Account column, click Account Settings. If you want to grant access to your account level, assign a specific property, then click Property Settings. In the admin panel, select Account Access Management. Under Account and Properties, click the View column, depending on the level you want to assign access. In the Account Access window, click on the blue plus sign. It is in the upper right hand corner of the screen. From the drop down menu, then choose Add Users. Enter the email of the address you want to give access to. The email they must use for your Google account to access it. You can set permissions. The permissions you can set are read and analyze, collaborate, edit, and manage users. The users will receive an email and a notification about the access you have granted them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.